So, what examples of unstructured data being used to generate innovative value streams for organizations? Do you have some
Sure.
examples for that?
There's an advantage of an insurance company, and I'm sure a lot of insurers do this. This insurance company realized it was sitting on an archive of adjuster reports. So someone submits a claim, the insurance
Yeah.
company investigates that claim, the investigator writes up a report, and that report is used to process an individual claim. But what they realized was they could mine the content in those adjuster reports to identify the propensity of or indications of fraud, like language that was used or omissions or inconsistencies. And when they deployed this text mining algorithm against this data, they were able to subrogate or recover millions of dollars of previously paid out fraudulent claims, and also then bake that model into their claims processing system. Another example is the manufacturer Lockheed Martin that makes fighter jets and other
Yeah.
military types of equipment. Um, they took an idea that I gave them to identify leading indicators of project issues like scope or budget or personnel or technology related issues by mining the project communications for the personnel on the projects, rather than just using the old status reporting method. They were looking for leading indicators of project issues. And in doing so, they ended up adding, they said they claimed 3 times greater foresight into project issues than they once had, and are saving hundreds of millions of dollars in cost overruns. I also just learned yesterday in speaking to a consultant in Ukraine how they're using facial recognition to identify saboteurs, and using maps and satellite imagery to help identify and publicize ever-shifting supply chain and evacuation routes.